Yo, what's going on, Isaiah? I did take a trade. Yeah, I woke up with the AMC one gapped down, so I lost a lot of money on that. But today's a good day. Let's make it all back. I just took this LVS 38 call. I went in at 0.63. It's currently trading at 0.6, and that's the 917.38 call. Yeah, so volume precedes price action. We saw a floor at 37, and then we see massive volume starting to come in. So that's very indicative of a bullish push up. Everything's probability wise, but I'm confident in this trade. So first trade of the day was 0.63 on the LVS 38 call, expiring this Friday, the 17th. It's currently trading at 0.63. Second trade is going to be on AMC. So expensive, the premiums. Probably going to do the 52 call at one point. Actually, I'll do the 53 call at $1.09. Let me take a look at the chart real quick. So we're at the 49 even. It did find a little bit of a floor. And then I'm just going to check the flow. Yeah, flow's very bearish. I don't actually want to take this position, so we're not going to do that one. Flow's shifting bullish, actually. Let me take a look. Yeah, luckily we didn't grab that very second, but yeah, I don't think I like it. I think we're gonna fill this gap, so 48.5, and then we'll look to try to get an entry. LVS did start taking off in our direction. First trade is up 2%, doing good. My computer cannot handle this. I gotta go get a new computer. Close down some apps. Should be good. So yeah, the volume came in hard here, and then I just anticipated another push up, so we grabbed that LVS call, which was the 917.38 call. I bought it at 0.63. It's currently 0.66. Support might not be oversold. I was calling for 14 on it for 2 weeks. It just entered a bear market, which happens. But today we're going to space out all my trades, one contract at a time, and we're going to go for our some fat gains for the end of the day. I think we'll do pretty well. I'm going to be pretty patient on everything and make sure that we just grab the most dynamite trades, or rather that I grab the most dynamite trades. Yeah, life's good. So yeah, we're now up 6%, 8%. There she goes. You gotta love it. Yeah, I did announce on Twitter I'd close out the AMC call in the morning. I closed it for a $63 loss, so I closed it at $147 a contract. We got it at $2 a contract, or 200. Speaking of AMC though, it does look like it's bottoming out a little bit, but we're sitting at this gap right from here. So these are gaps that you see. This one here, the bottom of it's 48.56. I would be surprised if we don't fill it. So I'm not going to enter AMC right yet, but I do think we'll see a sharp reversal on it today, so I will try to take a play on it later. Yeah, LVS drops, so I started buying it because when there's blood in the streets, it's always a good time to buy. And then I bought it here, made a 20% trade, and then I bought it at 0.5 on my other account and in the Discord, and that one's currently up to 0.77, and I bought it here for 0.63, and now we're up to 0.78, so not a bad trade. Life's good, right? We'll get back to the 500 mark in no time. I'm not worried about it. Rough start for day one. Holding that overnight was not the right move. Man, my computer's being so slow. Doing wonderful on LVS. We're up to 0.8 from 0.63, so that's a 25% trade. I'm going to adjust my stop on it, so I'll create a closing order, and then I'll change it from a limit to a stop, and I'll put my stop at 0.72, or 3 rather, that way it always stays green. So now if it drops on me to 0.73, it'll exit the trade, and I got in at 0.63, so it'll still be a nice 15% gain. Yeah, I don't really trade news. I'm just waiting for AMC to fill the gap here, so down to this mark, and then I'll try to look to enter. I think we'll see a strong pivot from here back to the 50 range intraday by the end of the day. So that'll be a nice little trade if we can get that entered properly. LVS is up to 0.8. We're doing really good on that one. See, every $63 I spent, I only bought one contract because I don't want to blow through my money again today like I did yesterday, and then just sit there holding a bag because I had nothing else to do. Again, I'm not used to trading with small accounts, so it's a bit of a challenge, but we're going to crush it. So today we're down $46 on the day. We're looking to make all of that back plus a bunch of profit. We will get it done. We just have to find the right opportunities. My stuff is lagging really bad. I'm going to actually restart my computer here real quick. I'll be back in about 15 minutes. We could take a look at MMAT. No, I don't think it bottomed out. So you see the size of the volume on this? And then we failed to retrace it. I think it'll probably bottom out around the bottom of this trend, so something around here. Plus it's so cheap, I don't really want to trade it. LVS doing wonderful things again, just keeps running. That'll be a nice little trade. So now that we're more green, what I'll do is I'll adjust my stop up as it starts to go up further. It actually just kind of took a little dip as I said that though. But I will be back in just a moment here, okay? I'm going to reset my computer just so I'm not lagging so much. I can't see nothing's adjusting on my charts. I'll be back.